Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Zinat Kitchen. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make spring roll with liquid dough. Liquid dough is a recipe from Sri Lanka. So please let me show you how to make it. Here we are, just 1 cup of flour. This cup is just 1 cup of flour. And I have already put the salt. What we do is mix it, and then I have here the same cup I have put 2 cups of water. So we'll see, because we have to make it liquidy, we'll see how much I will use. It should not be any lump at all. Add the water gradually, little by little, should be okay. Make sure that there is no lump at all. You can either put it in a blender or a hand mixer you can use. So I have used all the 2 cups of the same cup. I have put 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and the same cup I have put 2 cups of water. So I have used all the water. Here we are. It is looking like there is no lump. So what I will do now is I have to put just 1 spoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it well. And to be on the safe side, I am going to, look, there is nothing in the jug. I just going to strain it. Then you're sure that there is no lump. Look, so see, so you're sure now it's okay. So now we can start cooking now. This is our liquid dough, guys. Once we see it changing color, you know it's cooking underneath a bit. Once it's completely changed, look, color has been changed completely, then you have to try whether you can turn it. Okay, yes, it can. I do that like this. I make the filling for spring roll and samusa. Less messy. With the samusa sheet, you have to knead the dough, roll it, put oil, sprinkle, dry flour, and then cook it, and then remove the sheet one by one. So I do mine like this. You know me by now. Easy recipe. Less time spending in the kitchen, but tasty. You can do any filling, spring roll or samusa, whether it's a tuna, chicken, meat, veg, anything. think it's done. Yeah. Okay, I'll do one more for you. Slight bit of butter, just sprinkle. Just brush the tray with a little bit of pan with a bit of butter. That's it. Okay, I will continue. Here's my liquid dough, guys. I will leave it to cool down and then I'll come back. We'll do the filling for the spring roll. Just do the filling now. You can do any filling. I had this filling from before. I had just open a tin of tuna flakes. I have put it through. Mix it well. And this one is more filling as well. It's like you're making a pancake. You're doing this. Anyway, for me, I think it is a lot easier. Just keep on rolling. This filling I have potatoes, carrots, cabbage, green chili, coriander, I'll continue. That's all I have managed to do. All the filling is finished. And there is one sheet left. I can fry it this when I'm frying the spring roll. This is the Sri Lankan way of doing the spring roll. My daughter just loves this one. This is the Sri Lankan way. Sri Lankan always do the sheet like that and then they make the filling. They fill it and then they fry. Okay, when I fry it, I will show you. Okay? Here guys, I have got 9 spring roll and the one that I did not get any filling, I have cut it and fried it like that. Now the oil is hot enough. I am going to put that. So in 1 cup of flour, I have got 9 very good sized spring rolls. This is the Sri Lankan way of making spring rolls. Here we are, guys, it's almost done. I must tell you, it's very, very crispy, this one. This recipe is one of my friends from Sri Lanka. You must try it, I'm sure you will all enjoy. Okay, I have one more left, let me just do that one. Here is our spring roll, and here is the one that I did not get the filling, so I cut it like that and fry it. It's very, very crispy, and this is a Sri Lankan way of making a spring roll. It's very nice and crispy. You must try it, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Zinat Kitchen. Bye bye, bon appetit!